Have you tried using Drop? It's a great way to share files and messages between your phone and desktop devices. You can effortlessly drag and drop files to share them instantly. Plus, you can even send notes to yourself while you browse in Microsoft Edge and stay in the flow. How cool is that? So let's dive in. So before we start, how does the Drop feature work? Drop is a platform that allows you to share files and content across your mobile and desktop devices instantly. Its interface resembles an instant messaging conversation with yourself, making it easy and intuitive to use. On desktop, you can drag and drop files between your browser window, Windows File Explorer, and Microsoft applications for seamless sharing. So how do we access the Drop feature in Microsoft Edge? You can access Drop through the sidebar of Microsoft Edge or by navigating to the More menu or the three dots in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. So guys, this feature works on all the devices that has Microsoft Edge installed. That's from Android, computer, Mac, iOS, and all the operating systems that allow you to install the Microsoft Edge browser. So Drop makes it easy to share files, images, and even write messages to yourself across all devices. Drop uses OneDrive to securely store your data, and you can quickly check how much storage you have left and free up space by clicking more options or the three dots from Drop. How do I delete my Drop files? Individual files and messages can be deleted from Drop by selecting the three dots in the upper right corner of that file and choosing delete. So this is, guys, how to use Drop feature in Microsoft Edge. Give it a try and let me know in the comment down below what you think. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more awesome videos just like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love.